Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take a partial screenshot on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to do this, what we can do is use three fingers. So with this gesture, we can take the partial screenshot, and all we need to do is press and hold three fingers on the screen. One more time. There you go. And now we have two options. We can release those fingers, and then we can drag to select a rectangular area. So we can draw the size of the screenshot that should be captured. And another way that allows us to take the partial screenshot is once again press and hold three fingers, but this time just swipe down in order to select the area by simply going down, and that's it. Of course, you can still adjust the size if needed by moving the edges of the screenshot without any problems. And once you are done, if you have selected the area that you want to capture, in the top right corner, press this check, and that's all you need to do. In addition to that, if the gesture doesn't work for you, you can open settings. So let's go to the settings, and then over here we want to go to accessibility and convenience, screenshot, and over here we have the three finger touch and hold option that can be enabled and disabled. So make sure that this option is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.